My favorite thing about Las Vegas is that you can be yourself, you're free to do whatever you want, anytime you want.
All the best foods and all the best shows and all the best entertainment options, and they put it all in one like 4-mile strip.
The best thing about Las Vegas is it's the entertainment capital of the world. Here it's the one-stop shop.
A lot of these casinos down Fremont Street have outdoor bars. You can bar hop going from bar to bar without really even traveling 50 feet. It's hard to beat going down a quarter mile of zip line over people's heads. Here you actually get a little more of the old Las Vegas feel.
It has nostalgia. It has all the old-time casinos that you can actually go in and explore. Vegas just has everything for everyone.
Shopping is one of my favorite things to do. There's great shopping here. You can do whatever it is you want to do. You can stay up from sundown to sun up.
Vegas is everything. Vegas is this like perfect, weird construction of humanity. I mean, it's a little bit of everything anybody would ever want.